Alright guys, if your iOS 26.5.1 update is not showing, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can easily fix this. So it's very easy to fix this. Just simply go to your settings, and right over here in your settings just go to general and then software update, and check in your software update if it's appearing right over here after checking for updates. But if it's not showing, I'm gonna show you some ways on how you can fix it. So the first one is basically very simple. What you can do is just make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, because if you're not connected to sometimes a stable Wi-Fi network, the update won't show. Just make sure that you're connected to a fast and good Wi-Fi. Now after that, just make sure that your battery is above 50%, because sometimes the phone or update isn't available on below, if it's below 50% or on 50%. Just make sure it's above 50, and just make sure that you're not on mobile data, you're on Wi-Fi. And after that, what you need to do, you can just simply restart your phone device. It's very simple. You can just right over here just press on the power logo, or you can just directly turn it off by buttons. But as you can see, I have the update and I can update it, but you can update it if you want to. And then just make sure you check your iPhone storage, because sometimes if you don't got storage and enough space to update your update, it won't directly update. Just make sure you review your phone and check you got enough space for the update. And if nothing is happening and it's still not showing, you can just directly go down, and right over here you'll see the option of transfer and reset inside the general settings. Just simply press on that, and then press on reset, and then press on the option of network reset network settings. Just simply press on that option and you're good to go. After doing that, you're done. And if it's still not happening, you can just connect your phone to a MacBook, Windows, whatever, and just plug it in with your phone and directly update it through iTunes. And this is basically it. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.